Well, hello again. It's Paul Figueroa, and I wanted to thank you for attending my Wait, More Sympathy, No Less Empathy, More Empathy, Less Sympathy workshop at NAHRA last month. Thank you so much. Going to go over a few things to recap what we went over and connect with you all. And so let's get started. First off, the confusion over sympathy and empathy. The general thing is to let go of the definition. What you want to be able to do is to relate to somebody and not have it be overwhelming or emotionally exhausting to you or for you, right? So it's about being present and becoming more of an observer. The thing that we need to unhook in order to make that happen is this idea that we're supposed to take care of everybody. Now, there's different spheres of influence with this. Obviously, if it's your family members, it's a little different. In your workplace, the idea is to be mindful that you want to be in this for the long term and support as many as you can. So the idea of being caring to the point that you're emotionally distraught afterwards or very affected isn't very healthy for you. And as I explained in the workshop we were in, especially in law enforcement, it can be really detrimental. So it's as if what you're doing is you're allowing your heart to close to a certain point or to only be open a certain amount. Now, the thing we need to unlearn is this thought that if we do that, we're not good people, we're not nice people, we don't care. The truth is, it's just the opposite. If we open up too much, we can actually take on the work of the other person and end up doing it for them, which doesn't really help them in the long run. Again, meter this with the age. It's different if you're working with kiddos. And for adults, you want to see them as capable, able, and support them on their journey, not do the journey for them. Thanks again for your time today and for going to the NAHRA conference. They're great, amazing people. I'm going to start doing videos about once a week, along with a newsletter every couple of weeks to help provide you with tips and support and how to move through and make the positive changes you want in your life. Until next time, I'll see you soon.